Hello, YouTube land. Richard here with some valuable tips today. All right, today's project is, I think you can see it, is wire fence. It's an old wire fence. I thought this thing would take about an hour. I thought it would take about an hour to pull it out, but with an old fence, here's the problem. Let me see, I'm pulling it. Number one, 1 billion roots have grown over it. So the bottom is held by roots. And also the wire has grown inside of trees, over the years. You can see how, being pressed against the tree, it grew in. So I thought this was going to be, a couple-hour job. It turned into a couple days. It's a nightmare. So don't let my nightmare become yours. Let me give you some valuable tips. There's my cat, Gray Boy. Hold on. See if we can zero in on that bad boy. No, that's Big Boy. Big Boy! Hey, Big Boy! All right, let's get back on topic. I used bolt cutters and a wire cutter. You'd think it'd work. However, man, after a couple hundred clips, your hands are dead. These bolt cutters are not light, and it takes forever to line it up, especially in the ground. So then I had the genius idea of the Sawzall with the metal blade. I thought that would work great, but did it? No, not at all. It works, but it takes a long time. The steel is high tensile steel, and after 1 billion years, I know I've been here 16, it's still, besides a light coating of rust, it is very solid. So I'm about to show you my last ditch effort. Let me get this in here. Okay. I will show you what finally worked for me. Let's see. Okay, I think right there should do it. And that was a grinder, and I'm thanking God, and thanking myself too, that I went and got this this grinder, because this is the ticket that's going to save me, and it's going to save you. So let me show you. There you go. We all seen these. These are pretty cheap. I'd say, I forget what I paid for it. Let me make sure I got you zeroed in on the right spot. Okay, I think this is where the fence is. All right, let's see how this does. Hopefully you can see that. It definitely, this thing just saved my life today, because I have to finish up and I have to get this done because I got to get to another job tomorrow. So, anyway, hold on 1 second. Let me get this back to normal. Okay. A disclaimer, this is the way I'm doing this, and if you try to duplicate or take any information from this video and use it, you do so at your own risk. And you hold the creator harmless. And by watching this video, you agree. I'll put links up if I can find it. I am an affiliate, and they will be affiliate links, and I might make a small commission, and I mean small, at no additional cost to you. The links will be in the description. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and subscribe. And yeah, if you encounter a similar job, this will save your life. With that being said, have a great day and peace out.